Welcome to workshop number 2. In this workshop, you're going to learn all about hooks. The hook is the first sentence of your essay. Its job is to make the readers excited to read your essay. What do you need to do to write a hook? You'll need to know what the question is about, search for the keywords to help you with this, or the main topic of the essay. You'll also need to use the keywords to make an interesting first sentence. Make sure not to write the question or give your answer right away. Start with simple words like everyone, all over the world, or imagine. Now remember, a hook is not a question, and a hook is not an answer. Now let's look at some examples of some hooks. Here's a question for an essay. What is your favorite toy? The hook is, everyone has a favorite toy that they love. The question and the hook both have the keywords favorite toy. These are the keywords. Do you see that? How they're in the hook and the question? All right, let's look at another essay question. Where is your favorite place to go on vacation? The hook says, all over the world, people love to go traveling on vacation. The question and the hook both say vacation. This is the key word. Now let's look at one more. The question is, who is the smartest person you know? The hook is, imagine if everyone was as smart as Einstein. The hook and the question both talk about people that are smart. These are the key words. Now, if we look at each hook, the first one starts with everyone, the second one starts with all over the world, and the last one starts with imagine if. These are great ways to start your hook. Let's dig a little deeper into starting the hook. The hook is going to be the hardest sentence to write for a beginner. The first thing you need is a plan. It's always best to brainstorm first. As we said before, you can start the hook in 3 ways. Everybody, all over the world, or imagine. The first two, everybody and all over the world, work well because they include everyone. When you include your reader, you make sure that they are interested in your essay because it's about them. They can connect with it. The third one, imagine, works mostly for questions that begin with what if. Imagine you had, or something else that indicates you are using your imagination. Now let's look at choosing the right hook. For each essay question below, the keywords have been highlighted for you. Underline the matching keywords in the hook below it too. All right, now let's look at number 1. Do you agree that coaches make the best teachers? Now, here are 3 different hooks we could say. Everyone has a teacher or a coach. That's true, right? All over the world, coaches teach students. Perfect. Or imagine a world with no coaches or teachers. These are all pretty good hooks and you could use any of them. However, A and B are the better hooks because it's not a what if question or a question using your imagination. Let's look at the next question. Do you agree that the internet is more useful than it is harmful? A. Everyone uses the internet these days. That's a great hook. B. All over the world, the internet is becoming more needed. That's a great hook, and it's true. C. Imagine being born before the internet was invented. I think I know a few people who might have been born before the internet was invented, but luckily for you, you've had it your whole life and it's going to help you so much. All of these are, again, great hooks. Which one do you like the most? Now let's move on to number 3. The question is, if you could choose between being the president of a country or the CEO of a successful company, which would you choose and why? This question, you could definitely use an imagine hook because it's asking what if, or if you could. This is imaginative. It's not something that is really going to happen anytime soon. So let's look at these hooks and choose which one is your favorite. Everyone has dreamed of being president before. All over the world, presidents and CEOs make hard decisions. Imagine being the CEO of the biggest company in the world. Now you know all about hooks. Are you ready to practice writing your own? Perfect. Let's move on to the practice questions. Practice number 1. Read each essay question. Then use the box to complete the hook underneath. Question 1. Do you prefer to work with a team or alone? Word box. Team and imagine. Now, what do I always start a hook with? Do you remember? That's right. Imagine is a great way to start a hook. So let's put that on the first line. Hook. Imagine if you did everything as a team, even brushing your teeth. Well done. Let's move on to question number 2. Do you agree or disagree with the following statement? People should sometimes spend time doing things that they don't want to do. Word box. Don't want to do and everyone. Which one of these is a good way to start a hook? That's right, everyone. So let's start our hook with everyone. Hook. Everyone has to do things they don't want to do sometimes. Now it's time for practice number 2. Use the hints to complete the hook below each essay question. Question number 1. What do you think is the best thing about being a kid? Hint. What if kids worked and adults went to school? What did you write? Maybe it looks something like this. Hook. Imagine if kids worked and adults went to school. Question number 2. If you could visit any planet in outer space, which planet would it be? Hint. Have you ever thought about living in space? What did you write? Your hook might look something like this. Hook. All over the world, people have thought about living in space. Are you ready for practice number 3? Write a hook for this essay question on your own. Question. Do you think winter or summer is better? Here's an example. I'm going to start with the word imagine. Remember, this is a great way to start a hook. Imagine it was winter all year long. Now, you are going to write your own hook. You will use this hook again in workshop number 5. Here's a checklist to make sure you didn't forget anything in your hook. Now let's use this checklist to make sure you wrote your hook correctly. Ask yourself, did I start the hook with imagine, everyone, or all over the world? Did I make sure not to answer the question? Did I use either of the keywords, summer or winter, in the sentence? Is my whole hook 5 to 7 words long? If you checked all of these, well done. You wrote a great hook. Now you're ready for workshop 3. I'll see you there.